Hi everyone, it's AC Coder. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a few electronic and coding things that I bought so that I can start new projects. I got a few things from Pimoroni and Kitronik. I started by unboxing everything I got from Pimoroni. The first thing I got was a Circuit Playground Express. It has 10 mini NeoPixels, 1 motion sensor, 1 temperature sensor, 1 light sensor, 1 sound sensor, a mini speaker, 2 push buttons labelled A and B and 1 slide switch. I also got the Circuit Playground Express enclosure. The next thing I got was a flexible LED strip. I am able to use a Raspberry Pi, Arduino, Microbit or any other microcontroller to code it up. The next thing I got was a Raspberry Pi computer. Alongside the Raspberry Pi, I also purchased a Raspberry Pi Sense Hat. With the Sense Hat, I'm able to measure how fast the Pi is travelling. I'm also able to figure out how hot or how humid it is, or even which direction the Raspberry Pi is facing. Now it was time to open the second box with all the things that I got from Kitronik. The first item I got from Kitronik was a soldering kit. It comes with 1 soldering iron, 1 safety stand, a desoldering pump and a lead-free solder. I got a Mi-arm Microbit robot, and I am able to program this in the MakeCode blocks, JavaScript editors or the MicroPython. I can also use this in the Mu editors. The robot came with parts for the structure of the arm, a socket head screw, a hex key, 4 metal gear servos, 1 battery box and a PCB for the Microbit. I also got a version 1 Microbit, and the new version 2 Microbit. The Kitronik soldering kit also came with a few stickers that I put on my laptop. I got a mini booklet that gave me information on what materials I can use with my soldering kit. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Check out my Twitter handle where I show progress of my projects I'm working on and share events going on. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye!